everyone, my name is Victor. We back again with more of ZeroPixelDawn. This is gonna be our devlog, just to show up some other stuff that we have. We've been improving a lot since the last time, but you will see just the surface. Most of it was just technical stuff that we do related with the scripts and stuff that was internal and a little bit external too. Let me also show a little bit of the juicy part. I don't want to spoil too much, but we have some stuff that is good. We have, for example, this one that has been added. I don't want to spoil what is it, but let me just remind you that we have already our beautiful boss fight here. So we're going to have something here. I don't want to spoil what is it. All right. So we were working on that too. We were polishing a lot of stuff. I will show it a little bit later on. And we have, of course, our intro. We have some stuff related with the intro. Okay, I don't want to spoil too much. Okay, but I'm just gonna put like maybe some seconds. Let me find it. See right here. That's the manager over here. All right. Oops. I'm not gonna tell what is it. Okay, so you guys can guess it, but I'm not gonna tell it yet. What is it? Okay. It's part of the game. I don't have to spoil nothing. Okay, and then of course we're gonna have something very good related with our Zero Showcase. Let me play just a little bit, just 1 or 2 seconds. It will be fine. All right, so that's gonna be all I'm gonna show, because I'm not gonna spoil the entire game. Okay. And the other part also that we will be working on is this one. Okay, this is the part of Aline, one of our characters. Okay, we have like the sample text here on the top, and later on we're gonna show a little bit of gameplay, how the things looks like. Okay, so you guys can know. All right. So we're back again, and normally in the previous version that I show, the weapon that you buy is the weapon that you get immediately. Okay, now you can buy as many as you want. You can select it and you can get it, So if I want this one or whatever, or any other gun that I want. Also we have we fix some bugs related with the upgrades. Let me just show it to you guys how the upgrade is gonna work, in case you have lost our previous video. So in case you haven't, go and check it out. We have it like this. Okay, of course I already maxed some of the guns. Okay, and as you can see here, we have depth stuff. That is not for you guys. This is for us as developers. Okay, so let me just go ahead and give a little try, a little run. And we also have several stuff, such as the corrosion in here. We have some of what we call contracts. This is like missions that the player has to do if they want to get a reward. In this case, oops, I'm gonna die. Oops. Okay, so this is some stuff. I'm not gonna spoil what stuff is this one. We have several changes as well. We have, for example, the raining. There's also a fog coming in. Some sound effects are being added. Exploration. We also gonna put more. Also we're gonna change it, but the idea is to put several boxes for you guys so you can loot. This one right now we thinking to put it like a placeholder. We will see when the final stuff come out. And as you can see now, you can get your guns like this one, get it cards, you're gonna get some stuff that is gonna help for the player. You know, so we can get several stuff like that. We also have increased the spaces from the items from 12 it was initially to around 15. Well, it's actually more. No, it was on 8. Sorry, we increased it from 8 to 15. So we double it. Also we have our music, also sound effects that is coming from our precious and dear sound designer and this guy. Just give it a check to his site if you can. It's a pretty cool designer related with the sounds. Well, and we have a lot of stuff in here that is coming up too. For now I'm just gonna show the basic, that is the contract. You have the corrosion stuff. We have the rewards as well. That's coming for you. Okay. And also, well, we have the boss fights. So the idea is pretty simple, but still enjoyable for most of people. You know, you can come here, get your item, sell it. Okay. And also, I will show very quick a sneak peek of some of the cards. Okay, like this one, I'm not gonna tell what they do, so you guys can guess. Except this one. This is a very long description. It's actually for the one in fire. Whoops, I'm not gonna click it. But for the rest, you will have an idea what will be. Okay, once you get the game and the game is published for it. We also planning to have a beta, open beta for everybody, but we will see how to make it because we want to reduce the amount of content that we put on the beta. If we put it, of course. If we don't put the beta, we're gonna actually reduce the price on sale when the game come out. So it's gonna be something cheap too for you guys. Okay, so right now this is the game. It's pretty, I would say, good so far with the advance that we have. Okay, and we also need to do some fixes and adjust it, but so far the game, I would say that is 80% done, and we're planning to have it probably, if everything goes good, guys, May. And if we get delay, the last, I would say, last days that we can probably have it is June, the end of June. We aim to have the game ready for that, but let's see. We don't promise nothing because we still need to check a lot of stuff behind the scenes that you guys don't know, you know. So we're gonna give a little sneak peek for that. We need to deal with stuff related. So this is stuff that we deal with it, guys. Okay, it's a lot of stuff. As you can see here, we have the lines. Probably my editor is gonna blur the middle part because very sensible data. Okay, but normally the bosses, or let's say stuff that require a lot of logic, needs to have like 1,000 I hate it, but 1,000 lines of code sometimes. Okay, but that's why we take sometimes long time. Okay, but regardless of that, this will be the devlog. I hope you guys enjoy it, and for the next one we will try to do a little shorter. I will try to make it a little shorter, maybe just more gameplays. We will see. But since then, until next time, so Lao MVP says bye bye, sayonara guys, and take care.